Stringer advocates for additional analysis to allow for refinement and emergent ideas. Why does this matter? Well, sometimes we may take language at face value in a more concrete manner and miss the more subtle and metaphorical meanings. In addition, sometimes the aha moment comes after the initial analysis. Using an interpretive framework helps capture richer meaning from the participants. There are 4 alternative approaches to furthering the analysis: interpretive questions, organizational review, concept mapping, and problem analysis. Interpretive questions, or who, what, where, why, when, and how, are effective for simpler projects in order to understand the nature of the problem and the context that supports it. And you take the problem or issue and you simply run it through the 5 W's and the H and make sure that you've covered all aspects of the problem. Organizational review examines areas of alignment and misalignment and explores points within an organization where action can be taken. This approach examines the vision, mission, structure, operations, and problems and concerns to pinpoint areas for change and action. So it's an analysis of those components, and there are key questions that Stringer provides in the book that are very helpful in this kind of analysis. Concept mapping looks at concepts, their issues, and linkages. Participants describe the problem and define the key elements or characteristics of the situation. Mind mapping software or diagramming is used to identify and help visualize the relationships of the elements to each other. Problem analysis is similar to concept mapping, but focuses on antecedents, or situations that led up to or preceded the problem, as well as the consequences or results of the problem. Stringer notes that this approach is also defined as causes and effects.